Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Hope all is well with you. This is how it is a day trade in the SPY. We took one trade in the PM session. Was a win. Was pretty raggedy in terms of price action, but I'll explain my logic behind this trade and why I took that to begin with. And let's just say these past 2 days have not been very probable. I almost did not take this trade today, and when I almost got stopped out, I was telling myself, yep, should have just waited on the sidelines, but let's go over this real quick. The breakdown. First things first, check for news. No news Wednesday. Expect everything to be normal. Mark out the previous session lows and highs, right? We get market open below those London lows, and price shoots up immediately, taking out those highs as well as. Did I say London low? I think I did. I meant high. As well as taking out the high from that we never hit from yesterday, London's high. So I was waiting for reaction to the downside, and I never really got something that stood out in my eye. So when price was chopping around 10:30, and I figured I wasn't gonna get a setup. Waited for PM session. I marked out the high. However, I had the low marked out, but when we hit that 1 p.m. candle, price dumped immediately, and I noticed it came down and took out yesterday's PM session's low here, as well as it tapped into this. Excuse me. Tapped into this 15-minute order block. What am I saying? Fair value gap back here. So I was expecting a reaction off of it, and it wasn't until we got this reaction here that I decided to look for a retracement for potential entry. If one of these would have created a third candle to make it a fair value gap, I mean, I guess it did here, but I wasn't too confident in that just yet, solely because we never hit the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute fair value gap. So we hit it here, we don't get the reaction. I'm waiting. Price comes down back into that fair value gap, then it gives us this huge reaction to the upside, right? Which is exactly what we wanted to see. I took my Fibonacci from the low to the high of that impulsive move to look for a retracement to the OTE, optimal trade entry levels. As soon as price retraced into this first fair value gap here, as well as the OTE, decided to enter. And the next candle over when was going straight for my stop loss at this low, and I thought I was about to get wiped out almost immediately, and was telling myself already I should have just waited for tomorrow, but waiting for that to get hit and never got hit, and price went in our favor. And it wasn't until around 9 or 250 here. Never mind. No, okay, I had this at 3 o'clock, but I'm pretty sure I got out right here. Yeah, 250. Because I was waiting for price to go and take out this minor buy side being the lunch high, and I just kept consolidating and decided to just cut my profits, and luckily I did before 3 p.m. because it would have just reversed whatever profits I did make, right? But yeah, nice little trade. Even though I never had a TP hit, I still closed there at a profit, but I don't know. I would have considered this a win just because it never hit TP, but we did follow our plan at the end of the day, and that's what really just matters. And I'll take any profit following my plan. But yeah, that's enough yapping for me, guys. Hope you guys been well. Hope you guys been staying disciplined with yourselves, studying, putting the time in. I promise it will be worth it. See you guys tomorrow. I don't think we have anything going crazy. Final GDP at 920. Powell speaking at 920. We'll see how that goes. Again, if I see a setup, I'll take it. If not, I won't. Till next time, adios.